Okay, so for this key fob, which is any modern BMW key fob, there's a small button right up here on the top left. Press this button, pull the physical key out, and then if you look right here, what I do is kind of press my fingers together, pull out in one motion like this. Now, these two clips on top are gonna pop straight out like so. There's two clips, one here, that are kind of wedged at an angle. So if you just rip the whole thing this way, you risk breaking these two tabs. So what I do is I pull it like this and then pull it straight up towards the top, like so, okay? Piece comes off easily. So from here, if you're holding it like so, you can see how there's two tabs here, and then it sits under this little semicircle bevel. So what I do, I just take a flathead screwdriver or any kind of a small pick tool, also works fine. Wedge it between these two pieces here and just pop up. It usually flies out just like that. Pretty simply. Now, if you note the way it was in, the side that states, in this case, which is a CR 2032, which is the positive side, always faces towards the top, and then the contact side faces towards the bottom. So take the new battery, place it in opposite. So we're gonna go press it down towards the bevel, and then this side snaps right in like so, okay? Once that's accomplished, your battery's back in. Now we're gonna take this. Once again, you can see how these slide in, tops clip. So we're gonna take it like this, right here towards the bottom. This kind of sits into itself. And then what I do is I sit the bottom right-hand side in, and then I position this one like so. And then once that's in, the top one clips into place, like so. Sometimes you have to work it just a little bit, but so I go bottom right, bottom left, top clips into place, and you can see it's back in place. And then simply take your physical key back up top, reinsert, and you're ready to roll.